What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm going to do the review of these maze mat. So it basically comes in all these colors as you can see right here. So we have one more colors right here guys. We have our next one right here, and then we have one right here. So basically as you can see we have 4 different colors which basically come inside. So with this mat right here, what we have right here is a little ball thing which is inside, which basically helps you to calm, and it basically you just work it like this and move it around because this is basically a maze, so you can basically pass it around like this and use it to go from one end to the next. So this basically helps you to it is what it is, and it basically use really great. So it basically can use in your spare time to basically helps you. And the material feel very soft. I love how the material feel. It basically washable, so basically if you use it and you want to wash it, you can basically wash it and reuse it, and it's very nice to play with and I'm loving it. So hope you guys find this video very helpful, and this is how it basically looks